Solve the equation 5 to the x squared minus 4 is equal to 3 to the x minus 2, giving your answer to three significant figures where appropriate. Okay, so writing down the equation, taking logarithms, this can only take base 10, but you can take any base as long as you do the same base to both sides. This becomes log to base 10 of 5 to the x squared minus 4 is equal to log to base 10 of 3 to the x minus 2. Now using the rule of logarithms, which says log a of x to the r is equal to r log a of x. That means we can bring down the powers in front. When you bring down the powers in front, you need to put brackets in. So it's x squared minus 4 log 5 is equal to x minus 2 log 3. Now, if you factorise this, x squared minus 4 becomes x plus 2, x minus 2 log 5 is equal to x minus 2 log 3. Now, you might be tempted to divide by x minus 2, but if you do, you might lose a solution. So, best bet thing to do is to bring all this to one side, so we get x plus 2, x minus 2 log 5 of x minus x minus 2 log 3 is equal to 0. Now we take out a common factor of x minus 2. So we get x minus 2, and then we get x plus 2 log base 10 of 5 minus log to base 10 of 3 is equal to 0. So either x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, and you can very easily see that's a solution because 2 squared is 4, take away 4, it gives you 5 to the 0, which is 1. 2 take away 2 is 0. 3 to the 0, which is also equal to 1. So you can very easily verify that that is a solution. Or x plus 2 log 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. So adding log 3, so we get x plus 2 log 5 is equal to log 3. Then we get x plus 2 is equal to log 3 over log 5. And then we're going to get x is equal to log 3 over log 5 minus 2. At this stage, take our calculator out. Use the fraction button for this part. Make sure you're using log to base 10 or the same logarithm. You're going to get that x is equal to minus 1.3173. You're required to give the answer to three significant figures, so x is equal to minus 1.32 to three significant figures. So either x is equal to 2 from the first part there, or x is equal to minus 1.32 to three significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an exponential equation using logarithms. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.